The first Treaty of Allahabad was signed on August 12, 1765 between Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II and Robert Clive, a representative of the East India Company. This treaty granted the British the Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa, marking the beginning of British dominance in India. The treaty also restored Shuja-ud-Dawla as the Nawab of Awadh, while the districts of Allahabad and Kara were handed over to Shah Alam. Additionally, British soldiers were to assist the Nawab of Awadh, and the East India Company agreed to pay Shah Alam an annual pension of Rs 26 lakhs, while enjoying tax-free trade in these regions. Vikram Sarabhai, born on August 12, 1919 in Ahmedabad, is revered as the father of India's space program. An accomplished physicist and astronomer, he founded the Indian Space Research Organization. Coming from an educated and prosperous family, with his father Ambalal Sarabhai being a renowned industrialist, Vikram Sarabhai pursued higher education at Cambridge University, earning a bachelor's and a doctorate in science. Under his leadership, India's first satellite Aryabhat was launched in 1975. Sarabhai was instrumental in establishing various scientific institutions in India and promoting science and technology. He passed away on December 13, 1971 and was posthumously awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1972. On August 12, 1948, independent India won its first Olympic medal by clinching gold in hockey. The Indian hockey team, consisting of 15 players, participated in the London Olympics, which began on July 23, 1948. India dominated the tournament, defeating Austria by 8-0 and Argentina by 9-1 in the early matches. In the final, India faced Great Britain and secured a decisive 4-0 victory. This triumph marked India's fourth consecutive Olympic gold in hockey and the first time the Indian tricolour proudly flew on British soil after independence. Despite the loss of many key players to Pakistan, the Indian team showcased exceptional talent and determination. On August 12, 1981, IBM launched its first personal computer, the IBM 5150, priced at $1,565. This groundbreaking computer came with a main system unit, keyboard, monitor, printer, and memory card. Prior to 1980, IBM primarily manufactured mini and mainframe computers, which were expensive and cumbersome. To create a more portable and affordable option, IBM tasked lab director Bill Lowe with developing a personal computer. Lowe assembled a team of 12 experts to handle hardware, software, sales, and marketing. Within a year, the IBM 5150 was ready and launched, marking a significant milestone in the computing world.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 12, 1877, Thomas Edison invented the phonograph, a groundbreaking device capable of recording and reproducing sound. This invention marked the first time sound could be permanently recorded. Edison's phonograph used a metal cylinder wrapped in tin foil and a stylus to create sound impressions on the cylinder. When the cylinder was played back, the needle traced these impressions, reproducing the recorded sound. Edison famously recorded himself reciting the children's poem, Mary had a little lamp, demonstrating the device's ability to capture and replay sound. This innovation laid the foundation for the modern gramophones and record players. On August 12, 1851, Isaac Merritt Singer patented his revolutionary sewing machine. Developed by his company Singer, the machine quickly gained popularity for its durability and ease of use. Singer designed the machine in just 11 days and it was originally priced at $10. The hand-operated machine transformed the sewing by making it faster and more efficient, benefiting both domestic and industrial users. By 1860, Singer's company became the world's largest sewing machine manufacturer. This invention not only advanced the textile industry but also created new employment and business opportunities. International Youth Day is celebrated annually on August 12, established by the United Nations in 1999 and observed since 2000. This day focuses on raising awareness about youth issues and their contributions to society. It highlights key areas like education, employment, and health, aiming to empower young people and encourage their participation in societal development. Activities such as seminars, workshops, cultural programs, and discussions are organized to inspire youth to voice their ideas and drive positive change.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.